Have you ever considered creating your own game? The incredible feeling of starting a new project from scratch and build every single piece of a world inside your mind? With Unity and the Asset Store, you can achieve your dream now. At Kronnect Technologies, we build assets for Unity that makes the experience in creating video games even better. Increase your productivity and take your game visuals to the next level. Create games like a pro easily with our frameworks. Make your game look like AAA productions with our advanced post-processing and visual effects assets, or optimize your project with our development tools. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get in-depth details about our assets and step-by-step guides of how they work.